Go ahead and open your SOB book to page 49. And we're going to be looking at multiplying one-digit dollar amounts by two-digit numbers. So practicing our multiplication. You can use your skills for multiplying a one-digit number by a two-digit number to multiply one-digit dollar amounts by two-digit numbers. So we're going to do a couple of these together. Number 19. It says a package of paper cost $2. If someone is purchasing 24 packages, how much will it cost? So simply I'm looking to see that I have a package of paper that costs $2 and I have 24 packages. So if I want to know how much it's going to cost, I'm going to multiply 24 times 2. Well, I know that 20, if I draw my area model, I have 20 and 4 and 2 goes vertically. So I now can add or multiply 20 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Add my place value back on, which is 40. And 2 times 4 is 8. Therefore, I know that 24 times 2 is 40 plus 8, which is 48. When I add it and write it back on the line, though, because I multiplied by a dollar sign, I now need to make that my label. So it's going to be $48. And my label is dollars because it's in the problem. Anytime you are going to use multiplication or addition with a dollar sign, the dollar sign will always be your label. Go ahead and look at question 21. A movie ticket costs $8 per person. If 61 people go to the 5 o'clock show, how much money does the theater make for that show? When you see something that says $8 per person, automatically that's going to tell you that that's for each person and I'm going to multiply. So if I'm going to have 61 people go, and it costs $8 per person, I'm going to multiply. Again, I can draw my area model. I know my expanded notation is going to be 60 plus 1. So 60 and 1. And my 8 goes on the vertical. Well, 8 times 6 is... I can write over here in my margin, I can do my 8 factors. So I have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. And I can go back and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and know that 8 times 6 is 48. And add my 0 or my place value back in. Now I have 8 plus 1, which is 8. I add the two numbers in the boxes, 480 plus 8, and I get 488. Again, remember that the dollar sign is my label, so my answer is going to be $488. Okay. Go ahead and turn the page. We're now going to look at multiplying two-digit dollar amounts by one-digit numbers. It says find the exact cost. Give your answers in dollars. Question 25. A bike cost $53. If 2 bikes are purchased, how much will the total how much will be the total cost? Okay? So if each bike costs $53, that means I'm going to have 2 bikes. I could use repeated addition or I can use my multiplication. 53 times 2. Again, 53 is 50 plus 3. So I draw my area model. I have 50 and I have 3. 2 goes on the vertical. I know that 50 times 2 is 100 because 5 times 2 is 10. and add my place value back in, and 3 times 2 is 6. So therefore, I add those two numbers together, and I get 106. So I will put on the line my dollar sign and 106. Okay. Go ahead and look at question 27. An amusement park entrance fee is $23 per person. If 4 friends go to the amusement park, how much will their tickets cost altogether? Okay. Well, we know the word altogether means addition, but because I see the words $23 per person, I know that I'm going to be multiplying. That per tells me I'm multiplying. 23 times 4 . So therefore, make my area model. 20 and 3 is my expanded notation. 4 goes on the vertical. I know 4 times 2 is 8. Add my place value back in to make it 80. 4 times 3 is 12. And again, I'm going to add 80 plus 12, which gives me 92. So how much will the tickets cost altogether? They will cost me $92. Dollar sign first, 92. You will go ahead and you will finish the even numbers on both pages 49 and 50.